Right guys, another lock for you today. This one's €0.5. It's a ISEO or ISEO, however you want to pronounce that. 5-pin. Got sent to me by Kerpeesh, one of our forum members on UKLocksport.co.uk. Very kind of him. Get it picked and sent back to you, pal. Just get that in the centre of the screen. Right, let's get this picked open. No key with it. That's a better fit. It is all locked up. Right, let's have a go. There you go. Open. I'll gut this one quick for you. Hope you don't mind, Kerpeesh. That way up. Okay, key pins first. All standard key pins, all 5 of them. Got a spool in 1 and 2, standard in 3, and a spool in 4, and a spool in 5. Come on. Doesn't want to focus, bad light. But whatever. There you go. Let's get these pins a bit close up. There you go. Cheers for the loan, pal, and thank you very much.